Okay guys, today Lily is going to do my makeup. This
Yeah,
was not really planned. She just wanted to do. I was really lazy this week and didn't film a video, so I was like, why not? I'll go through here, probably do the smaller palettes. You're gonna pick what you want to use. So pick what the stuff that you want to use. Or I guess for the eyeshadow.
This is some nice patterns.
And then just put it right there. Get all your stuff ready. Oh my god, how many are you choosing?
Ooh.
Oh, wait a minute. Don't go with everything. How many do you need?
Maybe I should take this one too. Let's check me out. Just of course I know
No mini. I see. Okay. Oh, these are brow products. Do you need anything for my eyebrows? Do you want to choose one of those ones right there in front, or do you want to look through all of them? She's picking out her stuff. Room is a mess. Sorry, it's not really planned. Okay, you ready? Okay, guys, I'm getting my makeup done by Lily. Special guest.
Yeah, you have saw me in a couple videos.
You've seen her in a couple videos. Okay.
You're
starting out with my eyes? Yeah. Can you put some primer on my eyes?
What's primer for?
For my eyes, so it doesn't make a little crease and like a little line in there.
Okay.
Can you make me look like Kim Kardashian?
Who's that?
She's a celebrity. She's a famous person.
I don't know her.
When Mama goes to do people's makeup, they always ask to look like her. If I can make them look like her.
Shoot. It'd be like 2 different colors.
Okay.
One different pink. First, I am gonna put this on right here. The pinky color right here. So, put a little sparkle and a couple of this pinky. Yeah, you don't know it. That's cute. So cool.
So, how long have you been doing makeup?
Pretty much for days and just do this.
For days?
Yeah.
Oh man.
I do my makeup too.
Oh. Who taught you how to do makeup?
Well, I'm just an artist and when I first was born, I like doing it.
Oh, when you first were born, so nobody taught you? You taught yourself?
Yeah, I know how to do makeup. It's pretty cool. Check a little bit.
Ooh, that's a lot of sparkle.
Yeah.
Do you do any celebrities?
What's a celebrity?
A famous person.
Yeah.
Oh, you've done famous people. Ooh.
Yeah.
I got a celebrity makeup artist. Woohoo.
Put eyelashes on and I'm doing glue first. You should ask, ask a grown-up to do this first.
Yeah, you should definitely ask a grown-up to do this first. Yeah. Just you want to put it on here.
Yeah. Like do it a little closer so people could see.
Oh, sorry. A little more closer.
Yeah, good.
A little closer so people can see, she said. Okay.
House of lashes.
Okay, here you go. I believe that's for my, yeah, that eye.
Almost done. How's it?
I think it might be upside down.
Thanks. I could do the glue this time.
Okay. Wow, you know how to do everything. Look okay?
Look at it.
How do they look?
Cool.
Okay.
Let's do the lipstick first. Next.
Do you know what color that is?
Red.
Is that the color you want?
Mm-hmm. Cool. Want to take it in me?
Oh, you're gonna put
No. Just telling them.
Oh, you're gonna. Ooh. Some glitter over that, huh? I know. Yeah, can you make my forehead a little smaller?
I'm trying to cover your mouth.
I don't think you got this side.
Today I'll probably do more than just your makeup. Probably your hair. I know how to do this. It's for your eyebrows.
Okay.
Oh, let me show you. Look at this, guys. I'm going to do blush.
Okay.
Let's do this color too. I think I gotta cover your nose because I think it's gonna get in the nose.
Okay.
What does it say?
It says Tarte Busy Gal Blush. That's also a blush.
This is gonna be very cool. Wow. I'm gonna use concealer to color, but here's the concealer to cover my mom's mole.
From the wand, huh?
Ah, there's some here.
You're covering all my moles?
No, there's one right here.
You just don't like my moles?
I'm just gonna cover a couple. There's a bunch of them up here. Right there.
Exposing me.
We're crazy.
Maybe you should blend those out.
Okay, yeah, a little color to your eye too.
On my moles?
Yeah, just a couple.
I mean, I don't want to tell you how to do your job, but I'm going to cover it with sparkle.
Yeah, a couple.
Wow, you do things very different than I do.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Oh, okay. See, I'm not hip to all these new techniques.
What about a couple blue with it? That make it sparkle.
I'll close my eyes.
Fire the bomb! Fire the bomb! To use this.
Oh, okay.
To.
Yeah, I use a brush on my clients too.
Yeah, I'm gonna dip this in there. Yeah, but this one's much better. How does it look?
Oh, did you add eyeliner?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Might start a trend.
You can not pay me because it's free because Mother's Day.
Oh, thank you. I don't have to pay you. This is free?
Yeah.
How much do you charge anyway?
$1.
You only charge $1?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, I love it. I love the eyelashes. I love it. How do you think I look?
Fabulous.
Fabulous?
Yes.
So do you think I should go to the store like this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, but not with this crazy stuff right there.
What?
It's really crazy.
You don't think I should go to the store like this?
Yeah, but only with the glitter and stuff.
But why'd you put that on then?
Well, it looks a little crazy.
It's too crazy for the store. It's more of like a nighttime look. Should we go somewhere since I'm all dressed up?
Yeah. But, yeah, you should change this to match your makeup a little bit.
Oh, I should get dressed.
A red dress or something.
A red dress?
Yeah, that would be beautiful.
I love it.
Yeah, and we could take Bolt too.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to see dog videos, we could show you our dog too.
Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe to our videos. Every time we film a vlog, you should give it a thumbs up.
You watch too many videos. Now you're going to clean up this mess?